In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft on your MetaQuest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase what I believe is the most optimal method to play Minecraft on your MetaQuest 3. Keep in mind that you will not be able to do this directly, so if you go over to the MetaQuest store and you browse through all of the apps, all of the games available, you won't be able to find Minecraft. This method requires an optimized version of the game for VR headsets, including, of course, the MetaQuest 3. It's called Vivecraft. So to acquire this, which is one of the requirements, go over to vivecraft.org. In here, you will be able to browse through all of the options, and all that you have to do is select downloads and choose the specific version that you have. I recommend that you download 1.19.2, but you can browse between all of these. Just make sure that you download the standalone client, or you select Forge/Fabric mod if you want to acquire them with mods. You also have older versions, but for this video, this is the one I'm going to be focusing on. So when you click this, you will be able to run the executable file or the jar file and go through the installation process. Just go ahead, leave everything on default, although you can increase the amount of RAM that you have allocated to the game. Just make sure that you install it, and the next time you open the Minecraft launcher, it is going to be available to launch from there. Make sure that the Minecraft launcher is closed while you install Vivecraft. Once this is done, you need to move on to the other requirement. You will have to use Steam VR. So, by using the Steam launcher and downloading Steam VR, you will be able to remotely control your desktop and also access your Steam library directly through your MetaQuest 3 headset. So, in the actual headset, make sure that you connect it to a PC using a cable. There is the official link cable that you can use. However, there are off-brand cables that also work. The baseline is that you need to connect your MetaQuest 3 headset to your PC using a cable. And after you do, when you go over to the quick settings, you will be able to find Quest link, as I've highlighted here. Choose this option, and you will then be able to run Steam VR on your computer. In the Steam VR window, all that you have to do is go over to the desktop mode. You can either take off your MetaQuest 3 headset, open the Minecraft launcher, and then run Vivecraft, or just choose this button here, which allows you to control your desktop within the headset. So, like I said, open the Minecraft launcher, and you will be able to find Vivecraft from the installations available. Just go into any world, and VR mode will be initiated right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft on your MetaQuest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.